What's up, Lock and Load Squad? Welcome back to another adventure. Guys, we are super happy today. We are heading up for our deer. They're finally stopped drinking the milk and stuff like that, and they're eating on their own. So it's time to transfer them up to the ranch, guys. So you know what? You guys are riding shotgun. Bless up.
I think it's better. I think it's better if you put it on the outside.
Yeah.
I think it's better if you put it on the outside.
Yeah. That's it. I see through the building that is a firm building. It helps to hold it. You put it inside, I can put it inside and go right round. From this will come to down and so.
Well, you guys are the experts, not me.
You know what I'm doing that, that's the right way, and that's it. But I'm no fucking anything more bomb clock do. Me not do anything boss, I'm here do it.
The concept of the ranch right now, guys, is to build it into this amazing eco-friendly environment for these wild animals. We have, as you know, the wild boar up there. We have the turkeys. Now we're putting the deer up there. Next, we're going to be putting the wild goats up there. And you know, guys, you know, this, what we're building is for you guys as well. You know, we're going to invite our subscribers to come down there, spend a weekend on the ranch. We're going to do camping, hunting, fishing, you name it, guys. Trust me. And you know what the best thing is? You guys are going to be there from day one, right? Because we're actually, this is we're building our dream ranch right now, guys. And you guys are tagging along, you guys are riding shotgun. So just stay tuned, guys. We're gonna go for the babies right now. See, you're going through the gate now to the safari. The team here is amazing. You have Beanie, who has been feeding our deer. You know, big up to Beanie. Trust me, I tell you, this brother is a real lifesaver. You see me? So we're gonna head in there now and pick up the babies and put them in the cage and head up to the farm, guys. So stay tuned. So we got the deer. We are heading up now to the ranch to bring them up there to their new home, guys. It's gonna be amazing, trust me.
What is the environment for them?
You know that big shed before we reach around to the pen them where the bike was in? Right, so we did re-fence around here and everything like that. We just put them in there until
The next meat, then we have to just try them with everything. Add meat, fish and them together.
Yeah, we know that meat fish
and almond leaf on there, see me?
Almond.
Almond leaf.
We don't move this gun no more, so we need something right here. This is that's when we can go around here. Check the place, check it.
Yeah, then jump hard, man, lick up all in there, so if you don't turn good, then it's gone through it.
Yeah. Yes, I can tie back up.
Right, then strong, you know, man, you see them there. If anything come on or a dog come close,
Yeah.
and they spot them, and go run and reel and chuck on this up. So if you don't stay good, then go through. And if you understand what I say?
Yeah, man. So up there,
Up there, so we are alright. Up there, so touch. But we come on, so we have to go take them out of here, sir. That's not crazy keep them if you don't that. But they're real hard. But me say if any dog that come around,
Yeah.
and anything they see around the place,
Yeah.
then they go try to protect themselves. So then go run on from that side and chuck on pan yourself. And if you don't turn good that, and tree chewing gum. And if you understand what I say.
That's what I say, man.
Yeah.
Let's get the brace up. Measure on the back, you know.
Make up on the back.
Yeah, man. You measure on the back.
It's alright, that's what. Mesh gone up there.
Yeah, let's go right up. Tie on the wood, man. Tie on the wood that way. Go there. Just nail it.
Barrier off here so they can't go down in here. So.
All in place.
And look at hole there, so.
Eh?
If you ain't got one piece of board, you can back up, pick up and so, you know, and then go down through in there. So. If anything come around and on dog, me tell you then go to try to eat. You know?
I know, but yeah. Yeah, go dry and
Put that chain here. I need a little more.
Loosen up a bit.
I need a little more.
Loosen the
I need a
chain.
little-
Loosen the chain.
Put the chain on the bolt, on the post.
change the pan too.
Yeah,
Okay.
pull it tight.
Lock it, because I'm going to move it up and down.
You can't move that shit.
Come out now.
Okay.
Good. Let's take out the key and let's go.
Are you gonna come out?
That's the wild one.
There used to be people bringing the food.
Yo, look on them. You can see them chewing it. Look on them. Turn around. Turn around and look on them. Turn around and look on them. See them there. See them there.
Why, I'm gonna secure them tonight.
Turn around and look on them. You see them?
If one is
No fuck with them. No fuck with them. You're making no fight down and saying it's stay on the wild. So you're making no. Slap him and ras and trouble them.
you want to make him grow up with them and say, what? My
Yeah.
legend, you know?
But
Look, you see I'm putting ears in it. Look, you see I said ears them. Like me tell you say anything they know dog, any dog or anything
Yeah.
come cross.
you have to tell me no. We never raise them a little one. What you want we have up a yard. In a yard they walk around.
Raise them and then this barn me raise them man. Feed them with milk.
I put it back.
And then this barn raise them.
Empty your man so they now go. And then something rough them, you know.
But David don't see them since. He don't see them. Fanny let off them. Well, if you left it, then I'll have somebody take off pinch.
You never buck up nothing like them, that's
If
right?
you're party out there, you're there, so. You never see none.
No, me never see.
See your pattern in there, but I pick up the money again.
Where's to them?
Big long city.
No man no person.
Don't have good hope of same time, man. You ain't tell me say a party out here. And you look at two big old lands.
Go back!
You fucking white man.
So Dave, what we cooking today?
So we're making chicken wraps. So we've got grilled chicken breasts that we're grilling up now. They're ready to turn. And then we're going to wrap them with fresh tortilla wraps. All right, we got a little mayo, spicy mayo, a little chicken breast, a little cheese, some corn, some fresh lettuce, a fresh tomato,
Right, beat up here again, man. Beat up the wrap again, man. Beat it again, no, man. Any man. Sweet, yo.
Now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's all we have for you guys right now. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment, guys. We love hearing from you. So until next time, guys, God bless. One love. Bless upon yourself. We're gone.